This is Ravello in the Campania, and this is a garden which they grow produce for eating, including lemons, this row, and I smelled the fresh basil. Those are the basils, a row of basil, and then comes pumpkins, tomatoes there. They are a little bit at the same time as ours. Ours is the Napolitan one. They're the same time, the same color almost. And I see more bushy type tomatoes, some chili or pepper there. Oh, aubergine. That's aubergine. And yeah, and this long gourd-like. I wonder what is it? Is it gourd? Is it pumpkin? Is it kind of courgette? And then these heavy pumpkins hanging from there. Under this large plume-like pine tree that Pliny described it as a, when he wanted to describe the plume column of the Vesuvius explosion, eruption, he described it to this tree, the shape of this tree. It's called L'Orti do Villa Maria Produce. Oh, Villa Maria's organic vegetable garden. You may enjoy its produce in Villa Maria restaurant 50 meters that way. Aha. Beautiful. And now you see where the Italians, which we see in allotment, where they get the ideas. All these ideas are there. Because traditionally they do that. And I like the way that actually you can grow using extra space. You grow your pumpkins and gourds and anything going on a pergola thing or a structure. Then you have the access pathway there. Very interesting. And that is produce. The produce is used in the Ristorante. And they have already harvested some of these lettuces there, so there is no lettuce anymore, that line, but there is more there. Oh, beautiful. And look at these beautiful lemons. I should actually probably put a lemon in the polytunnel, in the pot. And these tomatoes, different stages. That large pumpkin, it's almost getting yellow. Oh, I see a line of them. A line of those pumpkins. Amazing. These are very heavy ones, so they cannot really keep them on those structures hanging. So they have to do it like that. Big leaf basils here. Basil is a very heat-loving plant. At the same time, very sensitive to drought, so you have to feed them very well with water. And this, I suppose, is a plum. It's finished now. So, beautiful Villa Maria restaurant, hotel, or whatever it is. The vegetable organic garden of it.